Hi, good morning. So I'm coming back with another video. This time I wanted to do another DIY. So I'm going to be doing a shea butter, just a body smoothie. So that's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I kind of attempted it before, but it didn't come out as smooth as I wanted. So I'm gonna kind of try that again. So let's go ahead and get started with some of the things that I purchased so we can go ahead and do this. Okay, so to start off with, I wanted to do a shea butter smoothie, just something that I can use at home. I know in the store, you know, they have like those just packaged shea butter lotions, things that you can use for your hair, but they cost a lot of money. And I wanted to be able to do that myself. I love being able to try things, make them up myself, and go ahead and either save them for myself, give them to my kids, or give them out as gift to friends. So today what we're going to be doing is I went ahead and ordered this from Amazon, and this is the Yellow Brick Road Pure Unrefined Raw Shea Butter. So I'm going to go ahead and be using that, and this is kind of how it comes in the packaging. I already opened it. So it just kind of comes as a harder brick, as you can see. It's really smooth. And we're just going to go ahead and add that to the mixer and just kind of add some oils to it to just make it really soft and more pliable. So as you can see, this is the brick that came in the mail. It comes just like that in the packaging from Amazon. I've ordered this before. It's really nice. It has a light, not overpowering smell, and you can add oils or anything else to it if you just want to change up just the scent that you desire. So I went ahead and I tried it before, and that's what's in the plastic container. And I wanted to just kind of re-add that into the mixer with what I ordered from Amazon, just to kind of make it a little bit softer. I just realized that I didn't add enough oils to it the first time for it to stay the consistency of basically like buttercream that I wanted it to stay. So let's go ahead and try this again. So for this, you can just go ahead and use any mixer that you have. Either you can use a stand mixer like what I have here, or you can use a hand mixer, anything that you have around the kitchen. So I went ahead and just microwaved that for about 30 seconds just to kind of get it a little bit more softer and easier to mix. And I wanted to use olive oil. I really like it. It's really light. But again, you can use any oils that you like. Jojoba oil, almond oil, just anything else that is one of your favorites. And then I didn't do it this time, but you can also add in other oils and different essences like peppermint oil or just lavender oil. I think that would be really nice, or eucalyptus. It's up to you what you want to mix, but you want to kind of get it to the consistency that you see here, really whipped, really light, so that it's easier to spread around either on your skin, in your hair, just anywhere that you want to put it. So you can see it just, once it's whipped really nice, it makes it so much easier just to kind of rub into the skin. It's not too heavy, not too oily, just the perfect consistency. So my dog is like forever in all my videos, but so I just went ahead and just kind of scrape that out and put it into a smaller bowl. This is something that I keep out just on my counter in my bathroom, and I can just easily grab it. And I like that it's so whipped it doesn't dry out, and it just kind of sits there, so I can just grab a little bit when I need to. And then since I had so much extra, I wanted to go ahead and put that into another storage container to put aside for later. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. Thank you so much.